Namaste. Today's case is a case of parastomal hernia managed by sugarbaker surgery. A 60-year-old lady who has underwent low anterior resection with end colostomy 2 years ago now presented with swelling near the stoma and was diagnosed with parastomal hernia. Sugarbaker surgery was planned and done for the same as shown in the following video. This is the schematic diagram of the ports placed. After placing the ports, as shown in the previous figure, the intraoperative findings are flimsy adhesions of the omentum and small bowel over the parietal wall and dense adhesion of the small bowel over the endostomy colon. The flimsy adhesions are coagulated and cut using scissors to make way for the fourth port entry. The dense adhesions are released using harmonic scalpel, and as you can see, there is a small bowel loop densely adherent to the stomal end of the descending colon. The parastomal hernia with omentum as content is being released from the neck of the sac, and the entire omental content is reduced. Now, after careful planning, the dense adhesion of small bowel over the colon is being carefully dissected using the scissors. As you can see, there is a large parastomal defect of size approximately 3 × 3 cm. The defect is being closed with continuous V-lock sutures of size 0.30. In order to close the defect completely, the pneumo is slightly deflated and the suture material is tightened. The Symbiotics 15 cm composite mesh is taken inside the 10 mm port. After opening up the mesh, the parietal and visceral layers are identified and fixed using the prefixed sutures transfacially. Using capsule, the entire mesh is fixed all around, covering the colon and the parastomal region. After complete tackering, the pneumoperitoneum is released under vision. Thank you and subscribe to the channel for more such videos.